Blenderin natin yung dito sa forehead para matakpan yung mga chismis. Just tap, tap, tap. And ayan yung instant effect niya. Hi mga ka-Lazada! Welcome back to Lazada Philippines YouTube channel. I'm Lierge and I'm here again para Budol. Sa panahon ngayon, kahit stress ka, dapat maganda ka. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, always add Awra to your life. May challenge na binigay sa akin sa Lazada, which is to create a full face of makeup using affordable products only. So challenge accepted, I will teach you how to look expensive for less. Of course, I'll be using the products that I trust, pero mura lang, like mga 500 below lang. Syempre, I will link all of the products below on the description box. May mga hidden vouchers din pala throughout the video, so watch closely. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated on our new uploads. Anyway, let's begin. So the look that we're going to make today is natural soft glam. You can use this if you have date nights, family events, or if you're being extra, you can also use this as your everyday makeup look. So I already did my skin prep. Let's now proceed to sunscreen. Let's use this one from Fairy Skin. This is their premium brightening sunscreen. This is only 190 pesos guys. And also, this is SPF tested. So sure ka na protektado yung skin mo here. Always make sure to do the 2-finger method. So with this sunscreen, you have to take your time blending para mawala yung white cast niya. Kasi it is a hybrid sunscreen, meaning physical and chemical sunscreen. So it is normal lang na meron siyang konting white cast. Pero nawawala naman siya eventually, so you're good. Next step is the peach corrector. If you have like a lot of hyperpigmentation sa face or like dark spots, you need this para konting concealer or foundation na lang ilalagay mo. So this is the Get Ready With Me peach corrector. Super mura lang nito guys. I believe this is just 349 pesos. So, saan ka pa? Sulit to guys. So, ayan, nilagay ko siya sa areas kung saan ako may mga dark spots, which is here. So, with that, we are just gonna blend that with a brush. I believe this is just 80 pesos from OVW sa Lazada. There you go. For a peach corrector na 349 pesos lang, this is super good. Kasi talagang nakakover niya yung hyperpigmentations ng face or discoloration. And like under my eye, just gonna blend that with a brush. Now na na-correct na yung certain areas ng face natin, let's now proceed sa foundation. For our foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundations. Super nice nito, like sobrang mura as well. Minsan nagba-buy one take one pa sila sa Lazada, so that's a really steal price na. I'm going to mix the shade 128 and 322. Parang gagawa tayo ng little experiment para makuha yung perfect shade match ko since kaiba-iba siya, since galing ako sa tan. So, ito na yung nagawa natin na shade match sa foundation. Sana okay siya. I'm just gonna blend it again with the brush. Hindi na kasi ako gumagamit ng sponge. Since with my makeup, gusto ko lagi may coverage siya. So, if you use a brush, mas lalo mo siyang ma-maximize since hindi nasisip-sip ng bristles yung product. I think okay naman yung shade match na nagawa natin. Medyo match naman siya. Sobrang lightweight lang din yun sa face. Hindi siya masyadong mabigat, which is one of the qualities na hinahanap ko sa isang foundation. And to think na sobrang mura lang nito. Nice. Another good quality product here for a concealer, pero sobrang mura lang. This is just 349. This is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint. This is in the shade Vanilla. So I'm just gonna put that on areas where I have problems, like my under eyes, yung dark bags dyan, and yung mga small bumps ko sa forehead, yung hyperpigmentations ko here, around my mouth. Sobrang creamy nito guys, and balita ko sobrang okay din to with oily skin. And then guys, we are going to blend that with the same foundation brush para tipid tayo sa brush. Just tap, tap, tap. Always remember na when you're working with cream or liquid products, always tap the product para hindi siya gumalaw all over the face. Blenderin natin yung dito sa forehead para matakpan yung mga chismis. So after foundation and concealer, medyo nagmumukhang flat na tayo. That's why let's bring back the color of our face. Using this Easy & Co bronzer, as you can see, sobrang gamit na gamit ko na siya. As in, ang ganda nito guys. So I'm just gonna apply that on areas where the sun naturally hits the face. Just to bring back yung totoong kulay natin. Here sa noo. And make sure to blend it up here sa may hairline para konektado yung kulay niya. If you wanna look like a bronze goddess, this product is perfect for you. This product is super creamy as well. Sobrang blendable niya. As you can see, madali lang siya ma-blend. There you go. By the way guys, in case you are wondering, yung shade ko pala sa Easy & Co, this is in Blaze. Ito yung darkest shade nila. And then for our contour guys, I will use this newest launch ng Stroke 6. Sobrang bago lang nito. And once ko pa lang siya nagagamit, but it's already my favorite kasi first, mura lang siya and sobrang ganda ng quality. And ang long lasting niya kasi ginamit ko siya like yesterday on an event and hanggang gabi nagstay siya. I mainly use cinnamon for bronzer. This is cinnamon. And then this one naman is peanut for contour kasi siya yung mas cool. Kita-kita naman yung difference nila. Like this is so warm and very cool tone. So, a little tip lang when using this, don't apply it directly sa skin kasi meron siyang a little bit of tugging. It is blendable, yes, pero once you apply it directly, medyo hindi siya creamy. So, the mode of applying this one is you use a brush and then pick it up mismo sa stick. And then, para hindi kayo masyado mabigla, tanggalin nyo muna yung excess sa may hand nyo. But when using this kind of color, make sure to be careful lang. Kasi pag nasobrahan, baka magmukha kang gray. So this one guys, I believe it's just under 400 pesos. So if you want to try out these products, mag-add to cart na kayo and check out na kayo sa Lazada. Kasi Lazada is having their 10/10 Budol Festival. That will be on October 10 to 14. Ang dami nating daily Budol or yung mga items na 99 pesos or below. Ang mura, diba? And of course, hindi yan magiging Lazada kung walang fast and free shipping vouchers, no cap, zero minimum spend. So for the nose contour, same contour stick, but I'm going to use a smaller brush and tap that in para numipis yung ilong. There you go, our face looks snatched. Add din tayo here para mas mukhang nakataas yung face. As you can see, ayun yung difference. Kapag naglagay ka ng line here, mas magkakaroon ng illusion. This is the before and this is the after. Next naman guys, for our cream blush, let's use this one from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. This is their Milk Tint. This is in the shade Cheesecake. Now guys, if you have morena skin, you really have to try this Cheesecake shade. Even if you have fair skin tone, bagay na bagay to say. So as the usual, if you watch me on TikTok, I always place my blush here lang sa taas ng cheekbone and kinoconnect ko siya here sa may gilid ng eye. Para meron ulit tayong illusion na medyo mataas yung face natin or like lifted siya. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda tong shade na to with my skin tone. If you really have morena skin, I would really recommend this blush. Next is our loose powder. Of course, set your face para hindi gumalaw yung mga cream products na lagay natin sa face and para mas maging long-lasting siya as well. This is Detail Cosmetics Invisible Powder and we are going to use that to set the face. Huwag masyado because me, I have dry skin so hindi ako masyadong nag-overset. So tap off the excess and then I will first apply that under my eye kasi usually ayan yung nauunang mag-crease. Ang ganda din ng blurring power na itong powder na to. Considering its price, ang ganda ng performance na. And after I set my under eyes and my laugh line, I will use a bigger brush or fluffier brush. Tap off the excess and then use that all over my face to set. And now that we are all set, we also have to set yung cream bronzers, contour, and the blush na nilagay natin. So for that, we're going to use this Barry M bronzing powder. This is in the shade Island and ito yung kulay niya. Like, ang ganda nito pang bronzer guys. I will show you. So again, kung saan mo nilagay yung bronzer mo kanina, apply it there. And ayan yung instant effect niya. Like, magmukha akong tanned ulit. Hindi siya masyadong powdery, hindi din siya super chalky. So this is just perfect. If you want to try out these products, mag-check out na kayo and mag-add to cart na kayo sa Lazada. Meron silang ongoing na Lazada 10/10 Budol Festival. That will be from October 10 to 14. Ang dami mga daily Budol or yung mga items na 99 pesos and below, diba? Sobrang mura lang. And of course, hindi mawawala ang fast and free shipping vouchers, no cap, and zero minimum spend. For my highlighter, guys, I'm going to use this one from Lovely Cosmetics. This is in the shade Glare. This is their loose powder highlighter. Now, when using this one, make sure to tap off the excess sa brush. Like, for example, get the product, tap off the excess, and then apply it. Since it's a loose highlighter, it is very pigmented. And ang goal natin is magmukhang glowy. Again, I'm just gonna put it sa highest points ng face. Just like here sa taas ng cheekbone, brow bone, temples, and a little bit sa tip ng nose. And now that we are done sa mga powder, let's now spritz some face mist. This one's from Clutch Flame. This is their TLC spray. This one smells like coconut, like sobrang bango nito. And I always use this one para mawala yung pagka-powdery ng face. Sobrang fine also ng mist niya, kaya minsan I tend to overspray, but that's fine. And then just wait for that to dry. For the brows, I'm going to use this pencil from Choo Choo Beauty. This is in the shade Gray Brown. What I like about this one is hindi siya masyadong pigmented. It's also not too waxy, which is perfect for beginners. And also, sobrang nipis ng tip niya, guys. That's why I like it, and very precise siya when you draw. So I will show you. So what I do is I brush my brow hairs first pataas so that I can see the baseline kung saan ko gagawa. And then I'll draw with light-handed. I'll draw a baseline here. Papunta sa tail. There you go. And then medyo bitin yung tail ko. So hahabaan natin siya. And then papunta na sa taas. Just little strokes. Diba? Even if I'm super light-handed, kumukulay siya. Pero it's not that too pigmented and waxy na gusto natin. Very natural, soft glam. Perfect for everyday look. So, para ma-blend siya, mayroong spoolie on the other end. Use that to brush and blend the product. As you can see, hindi pa yan nasa-scent ng brow gel and wala pa siyang brow pen, pero it already looks good. So, this is, of course, the before and the after. So before we set this with brow gel, let's first do the other side. So again, just same steps. Brush it up. Draw a baseline. Kaya when I do my kilay, this one's my favorite kasi medyo madali lang siyang gawin. Make sure to blend. And then kung ano yung natitirang product sa spoolie, use that pang brush sa inyong brow para meron din siyang product and medyo may pagka-ombre siya. So, hindi na uso ngayon yung box na kilay. Next step for our kilay is of course the brow gel. We'll be using this one from Strokes. This is their brow fixer. Of course, this is also below 500 pesos. I also like the spoolie kasi as you can see, medyo thick and long yung bristles niya. So, talagang nakaka-catch siya ng brow hairs. So, first, let's do the right eyebrow para lang makita niyo yung difference. So, as you can see, kapag may brow gel, mas defined yung hairs and mas nakatayo sila so that the hairs will stay in place compared to this one na may drawing nga siya pero the hairs are not that defined. So, ayun yung natutulong ng brow gels. Now, on to the third step ng ating brows para mas defined siya. This one, we will use the microblade pen. This is a brow pen from Strokes as well. This is in the shade Graphite. With this one, guys, I love it kasi you can really draw like a hair-like strokes. Very thin lang yung mga nagagawa niyang lines. So, what I'll do, I'll define my tail more. Papahabain ko pa siya ng konti. And then, if you have like a bald spot, you can also use this one para mapeke mo siya. Yan, hinahabaan ko lang yung brow tail ko. And whenever I have a bald spots, I also fill it with this one. Okay, guys, so these are the brows. They're very soft but defined. Really perfect for our natural glam na ina-achieve natin. Now that we are done na sa brows, let's now proceed sa eyes. For that, I'm going to use this BLK Quad Palettes. These are only 449 pesos, guys. They're super pigmented. They're a little bit powdery lang. Using this clay palette, I'm going to use this warm brown shade. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And I'm going to extend that a little bit here para medyo lifted ulit yung face natin. And then, using the darkest shade from the clay palette again. This is also available on Lazada. I'm going to link it below. It's very thin. It's an eyeliner brush. You can also use this pang brows. I'm going to create a soft wing liner using this dark brown. A straight line lang. I'm going to do that, of course. Okay. It's very easy lang to do with this kind of brush kasi sobrang thin lang niya. So, like if you do like a one line, you're already done. I'm also gonna put that here sa inner corner to draw an inner liner. Next, before we put in any mascara, let's first curl the lashes para mas buhay yung eyes. Our mascara, guys, this is the 200 pesos mascara. This is from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl. Sobrang tagal na nito. Still, bumibenta pa rin siya kasi sobrang ganda niya. It's waterproof and it helps my curl na magstay ng mas matagal. So I'm already done with applying my lashes. So we only have one step left for our eyes, and that's our gel liner. So for the gel liner, we'll be using this one from Maybelline New York. This is their Line Tattoo in brown. So I'll use that lang here sa lower lash line para lang maging awake lalo yung eyes ko since I have lazy eyes. Kung napapansin nyo, dinadayo ko siya lagi with makeup para magmukhang buhay and awake. So for our lip liner, I'll be using this 195 pesos lip liner from Vice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Kiss and Tell. Ito yung pink shade nila. And what I like about the lip liners ng Vice is they are smudge proof. As in, natatanggal na yung lipstick ko. Nandun pa rin yung lip liner ko. So I really love these lip liners. And so I'm just gonna overline a little bit para maging medyo kumapal yung labi ko. There you go. As you can see, may siyang illusion na parang medyo fuller yung lip ko. And then for our lipstick, I'm going to use this one from Clutch Flame. This is in the shade Bunny. This is only $399. It is a lip oil, lip balm, and lipstick in one. So it's very moisturizing. Really perfect for me kasi I have a really chapped lip. I love moisturizing lippies kasi it doesn't settle sa mga dry patches ko. So you can see this color is so nice. It completes the look, it binds the look, super good. Vice Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Boom Bida Bida. Para mas fuller yung lip and mas shinier. Also, ang sarap din yung gamitin kasi it has that cooling effect, parang minty effect. Malamig yung lips ko, I love that. And this is the final look. Again, you can use this look whenever you have date nights, family events, or if you're being extra, you can also use this as your everyday makeup look. Nakakuha ba kayo ng mga hidden vouchers? If not, don't worry because you can still win 10,000 worth of Lazada vouchers to Stenten. You just have to follow these steps. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 3, comment below the products that you'll check out this Stenten and why para sabay-sabay tayong mabudol. And 4, share this video on your social media accounts and tag us at LazadaPH and use the hashtag LazadaPH1010 and Lazada Makeup Budol. And that's it. The winner will be announced on our YouTube community page and on Lazada PH social media account. And of course, sa Lazada, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga vouchers ng sabay-sabay when we check out. I hope you guys liked our look for today. And don't forget to check out this Lazada 1010 Budol Festival from October 10 to 14. Ang daming 99 pesos and below daily budol. Meron pa tayong fast and free shipping vouchers, no cap, zero minimum spend. So, I highly suggest na mag-check out na kayo this 1010 para mas happy kasi ang lika talaga ng tipid. Thank you for watching mga ka-Lazada. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Click the Lazada icon for more makeup budol's.